Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I've been having some persistent headaches and fatigue lately. It's been concerning me.
I see. How long have you been experiencing these symptoms?
It's been about 2 weeks now.
Have you noticed any triggers for your headaches or any other symptoms accompanying them?
No specific triggers that I can identify. Sometimes I feel a bit nauseous as well.
Have you had or any recent changes in your diet or lifestyle that could be contributing to your symptoms?
Not really. My diet and routine have been pretty consistent.
Okay, I'd like to run some tests to rule out any underlying conditions that could be causing your headaches and fatigue. Would you be open to that?
Yes, of course. I want to get to the bottom of this.